I was contacted by a company called Envirox about trying out their new e-collar. So they sent me one. I gotta admit, I've already unboxed it once, but I just wanted to show you guys what comes in the box. You get an Envirox VIP card, a remote here, LED remote. I like this because you can actually see it's got a large screen here. When you're out in the sun, it's hard to see the screen on some of the e-collars, especially the remote, so I like seeing this. It's got the vibrate, which is gonna vibrate the neck to let the dogs know, hey, you need something. It's got the electric stimulus, of course, the shock, if you will, and it's got the noise here. It's got the different levels. It's got a lock button so you don't accidentally hit these, and then it's got collar 1 or collar 2, and it's got a fancy light on it. Of course, here's the main unit here. It's got different probes that come with it here. Of course, for the different length of the dog, here the dog's necks. It has the collar, which feeds through this main unit here. It's got the tool to take the probes off. Here's a lanyard that you can put around here. You can hold this around your neck, or it comes with a rubberized wrist holder here, and of course the charging code. So I'm excited to get started with this. I'm excited to see what it's like. I've been using a Garmin this whole time, so excited to see what Envirox has. It says it's up to 1,100 yards, so that's a long distance for this little remote here. Excited, and I'll keep you guys posted. Thank you, Envirox.